Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is the IRS issued draft versions of two vendor forms. And I guess one is overdue. And of course, that is the IRS Form W-9. And I say, oh, some other people say overdue. Those of us that lived through these five changes between 2011 and 2018, wow, we do not want to go through that again. But the IRS has issued draft versions of the W-9, Form W-9. The revision date is October 23rd, and that draft version was issued on July 26th. Now, they also issued a draft version of the Form W-8 EXP, which is for foreign, governments and tax exempt organizations. We typically don't collect those in accounts payable, but when the IRS updates one version of the W-8 form, they typically follow with other versions as well. So more to come on that one. But the revision date is October 2023, and they posted that um, draft version on 6/28. Now, I am going to put the link to the draft forms and also to the revisions for the W-9 if you want to check that out, but I'll put those in the description. But as for the draft version of the W-9, the revised version, October 2023, I did just a review of it so far. Now it can change, you know how the IRS is, but the draft version that was issued July 26, 2023, I reviewed it and I identified what's different for the vendor team that you need to look out for when you collect it from your vendors, and then also what's missing. And so go ahead and listen to that if you're interested. It'll be out August 24th, which is Thursday. You can listen to it wherever you listen to podcasts, but it's also on YouTube as well. So check it out on my channel. Now, if you would like to get some training on the IRS Form W-9, I have a training session called Examples or the IRS W-9 Examples by Tax Classification. What to look for when accepting your vendor's W-9. And so the October version of that, because I do it every month, the third Wednesday of each month, and so you can attend live or watch the recording within 24 hours. But the October version of that, I expect it to be updated based on the new Form W-9. Again, that should be published by then with a revision date of October 2023. But we'll see what happens with the IRS. It depends on them. All right, so if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and just overall bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 149 annual hours of vendor process training, just like that IRS W-9 training session I just talked about, check out my Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified for next Tuesday's Vendor Master File tip of the week.